We are here in our booth at FRC Global with our strategic partners, Kelson, Umek, and with Dantan. They are part of our family now, and we just prefer to show our suppliers to the world. We've been coming to ExpoAcero for almost 20 years. We come to ExpoAcero because it's the primary place that we can meet all our customers and our strategic partners at the same time. It's unique because in Mexico, where there is at least 40% of the Latin American steel market, it's important for us to be here. It's always important to be present, and be part of the association. At this moment, we're seeing so many things happen worldwide. And if you're not here listening to your customers' needs, how can you react to them? We need to be here.